Hello, my name is Cruz, Assistant Professor of Applied Plant Pathology and Epidemiology at Purdue University. I teach a plant disease management course every spring, and my research is focused on studying emerging high-consequence plant diseases with emphasis on epidemiology. I also have extensive experience in biosecurity through the development of strategies aimed to assess and manage the risk associated with biological threats. Plants get sick too. And in agriculture, we have faced emerging pathogens and diseases that have caused widespread devastations of crops. So when it comes to the risk of epidemics and pandemics, we can draw parallels between plant and human systems. During this short video, I will cover 3 points that relate to the current COVID-19 emergency. So let's get started here. The first point, evaluate the risk. We need to have some basic understanding of the causal agent and know our level of risk to the disease. We need to have a comprehensive picture of how the virus is spreading in our communities, our country, or even the world. We could also investigate what mitigation or suppression strategies are working. There is, for instance, an interactive web-based dashboard created by the Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore that can be of great help to not only scientists, but also to the public. Governments, as you know, in collaboration with scientists, have implemented strategies that appear to be working at the population level. However, be aware that this can be a long battle because transmission can quickly rebound if interventions are relaxed in the future. Dr. Randy Roberts, a distinguished professor of history at Purdue, urges us not to declare victory too quickly, as we might have more waves of the virus in the future, similar to what occurred with Spanish influenza back in 1919. Do not panic, but do not let your guard down either. The second point, develop your plan of response in case you get infected. Be proactive and be prepared. The virus has been detected not only in urban areas, but also in rural areas of the country. Be informed about over-the-counter or other medications that can be used to alleviate symptoms. Dr. Ashley Meredith from the Purdue College of Pharmacy has also provided a short video with critical information on medications and COVID-19. The third point, we need to manage our levels of stress, and I would like to increase awareness regarding the interdependence of plant and human systems, and also the vital role of plants in society. Humans have a special connection with plants and plant systems, and authors have addressed the healing power of gardens. For example, we also know that plants are a source of non-pharmaceutical therapy. They also generate the oxygen we breathe, provide the food we eat, feed the animals we consume, and are the timber that shelters us, and to some extent, the fuels that power our machines. We need to remember that healthy plant systems are required for the health and welfare of human systems. So, despite all the uncertainties, make sure that there are things that we can do to be better prepared. We can assess the risk. We can also tailor a response plan, and also manage the levels of stress with a greater connection with plants. Keep in mind that public health and plant health intersect with our increased awareness of the fragility of our systems. Be prepared, be safe.